Hi everybody again. Today I am in the same place where I always film my videos. Today I am going to show you my new RC car, which is MJX 7303. This is 1/7 scale new RC car from MJX brand. By the way, this video is not sponsored from the MJX brand. So what you're gonna see in this video is my honest review. If it's good, it's good. If it's not good, it is not good. So I will give you everything about this car, how it's handling, what is the speed. I will use a 4S LiPo, which is the maximum capacity of this RC car, and also 3S LiPo. I will make a speed test with a GPS. I have two GPS, this and this one, so we can compare it and we can check it if the speed is real. This is the remote control of this car. You can see it is a little different than the previous MJX brand's RC remote controller. Now this has a ST reverse and the throttle reverse, which means if you want to change the motor, or like if you change any the car, that you can do these settings, that if you put it mistakenly in the reverse mode, so you can make a settings on this and then this one too. Let's get started with the 3S LiPo first. The battery compartment. Now we are with the 3S and the on-off button on the side. Now I will do the suspension. It is the highest settings. As you can see, the car will be very high. It will look like this. And I will also do the lowest settings of the suspension. Let's see if there will be any speed increase. Oh, it's very easy to control the car, but with the 3S, to be honest with you, the car is very slow. I think it's enough. So let's see what is top speed. And top speed is 41 kilometers. And let's see, in my other GPS is 39.6. It's which one is correct, so I could make it at 40 flat. So 3S top speed of this car is 40 kilometers. I am with the 4S and this is ready. The other one is also ready. Now it is 4S and it is in the maximum power. Gyro is around 50%. Let's start it. Oh, wow, it's a big difference. I believe it's around 60. Wow. So what is the top speed now? I can see it's 52 kilometers. It's around, yeah, it says a 50. This always shows the less kilometer. Flat 50. I mean, for this size, for the 4S, I will expect more speed. It feels you like it's more than 50, but when it comes to the GPS result, it's 52 and it's 50 maximum. It's with the 4S. I don't know if it's right to compare it, but let's see. Let's talk about the Arma Moyebe 4S, which I have also. When I tested with the 4S, it easily makes 75 kilometers with the 4S. In terms of the weightness, it is the same weight. I mean, that is also around like a 4.5 kilo, and this car is also 4.5 kilo. To be honest with you, I will expect at least 65, like the other car, which MJX has a 1/14 scale. That makes with the 3S around 65, between 65 to 70. Yeah, let's try one more time. Maybe we can get better. And I will also make the lower suspension, so maybe it will be faster, but I will do one more test. And it's ready. Full throttle, full throttle. You see me, full throttle. One more time. It's easy to control it, that's for sure. It's easy to control it. You can feel it like it is a 1/7 scale car, it is for sure. If you say why the brake is so strong, because I changed it on the app that I make the almost the highest the brake power, so that's why it makes very high the brakes, as you can see. So what is the top speed again? 51, and here I believe 49.5, 50.6. So yeah, now it's close. 50.6 with 4S and 51. Well, I can say 51 flat. And let's test it with the 4S. A little bit crazy, but let's test it with the lower suspension. Now I am with the lowest settings, as you can see, because of the car is too low compared to the other the test. I want to change it to some settings on the app. Now the ESG temperature is 35, motor is 34. It's pretty good. You see the max, the brake force is 100%. Now I will make it 50%, because I don't want to hit the front lip to the ground, because this car suspension is too soft. When you do the brake, it goes like this. So I want to make it the brake force 50%. And throttle patch, let's make this yeah, let's keep it in the 7. Everything is ready, and this also ready. Let's see with the 4S, the lowest settings of this car has faster than the highest settings of suspension. Wow. Oh, it's hitting to the ground. Oh, yeah. It's like a low style car. One more time. Wow, you hit it. Last one. Let's see, baby. Let's see what is the speed. And it was 50 before. 51 again. And this 49.5. By the way, in my first try, this is the rip off. I didn't do anything wrong, it didn't flip over, but I don't know why, but this thing is ripped off easily, so I just put it like that. It's not important, but I wish it could last a little longer. It is not bad at all. So far so good. What is your comment for this car? Well, the car is so nice, so good, but the performance wise unfortunately is a little bit lower than that expected. because the 4S is not a low capacity, you know. It is a 4S is almost 22.4 volt, and that much power should end up with at least like a 65-70 kilometers. I understand this is a rally car. They use I believe a 12, small 12, the pinion. Yes, it has a punch when you push it to throttle, but still, I mean, it could be like at least 60-65 kilometers. For the performance wise like that, the handling is superior. You can easily control the car, you can easily give a direction. It responds very well. The car feels it is a 1/7 scale car, so it really feels you it is a big car. For the price, if you see on AliExpress or any other the sellers, the good deal is around 300 to 350 euro, or if it's not on deal, around 400 euro, around like a $450. Does it worth it? To be honest with you, the question is, well, if you want to experience the 1/7 scale, you can start with this car. I believe you will love it, but I wouldn't pay more than 350. I mean, lower than 350 is acceptable, but more than 350 or 400 euro, I don't know. It's like there is other options. Well, to be honest, again, the car is superior. The only negative side of this car, I can tell you, the speed wise could be better, but maybe with the 15 pinion, which is the maximum you can use it, maybe you can reach up to 65-70 kilometers, then it's acceptable. Well, that pinion I also ordered. We will try it soon. I would like to show it to you, my experience soon. So see you next time in my place, because there is nobody. I love nobody around of me, because I don't like the people who question me. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching.